Hello YouTube, I've done my eyebrows off the camera and I'm going to prime my eyelid with a concealer. I'm using a flat brush to do that. And then after priming my eyelid, I'm going in with this eyeshadow palette from Juvia please. Yeah, Freak by Juvia. I'm going in with a shade called Cameroon. And I'm going in with it as a transition shade, so I'm putting it on the eyelid. I'm dropping it on the eyelid, and then after which I'm going to blend it in with a clean fluffy brush. The whole idea is not to see harsh lines. You should be neat and seamless. I'm going in with one green shade called Niger, and I'm also dropping it equally. Yeah, after that I would blend it in as well. Alright, I'm doing a cut crease today. Yeah, I've not done makeup with cut crease eyeshadow before. I think this is the first time. Alright, I'm going to use the concealer now to give it a clean cut. Yeah, it's a cut crease, so of course you need to cut the crease. And I'm not cutting the crease completely though. I'm just cutting it like a little bit above halfway. Yeah, because I will still smoke the end. At the ending part, so I'm going now with this Fifi. It's a shiny kind of eyeshadow. I'm dropping it on where I have cut the crease. Can you see where I cut the crease? I didn't cut it to the end because at the end I will still smoke it out with that green shade called Niger. Okay, there's this part I did in video, please. Now the inner part of the eye, I dropped another eyeshadow called Aya. Now I'm going in with the black opal stick foundation in honey and in nutmeg. I'm using the heavily honey, under my eye because it's a lighter shade. Then I'm going to use the nutmeg on my face because that's the shade that's my shade, my foundation match. I'm blending it with a foundation brush using the stippling foundation blending method. And after which I'm going in with my color pop concealer to conceal my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and then my chin. So I'm using a small pencil brush to blend it in. You could also use a beauty blender too if you like, but anyone I could use though. But I'm using a pencil brush. So after which I'm using the 708 Bronze foundation. Is a dark shade to contour the areas of my face that needs contour. That's the cheekbone, the jawbone, the nose. Alright, I'm highlighting, and then now I'm using a stick a lip pencil from Tara Kasuwa to be precise. And after which I'm going in with a nude lip stain from Classicmakeup. Yeah, just giving the number feel. Then I'm highlighting. I'm also highlighting my eyebrow bone and then my cheek, and it is the finished look. Please do kindly give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till I see you in another video. This is my finished look. This is more like a makeup when you're going for an occasion or a traditional bridal makeup. Yeah.